Welcome back to Maha's Kitchen Secrets, where I like my food healthy, easy and quick. Today, very Damascene dish. It's a breakfast dish. It's fattet with chickpeas. It's absolutely delicious, and it's called Fattet Zait. The reason is because we have to use a really old olive oil with high acidity, and when we add a baking soda to it, actually it emulsifies, and that is the process. That's what the process is about. And once it emulsifies, it really adds a delicious flavor. So we're going to start with Arabic bread. I've just cut it into cubes. If you have old stale bread, it works. In the olden days, it was a way to recycle stale bread. I'm going to add a little bit of salt, cumin. I have 1 clove of garlic, and I'm just going to mix it. Cooked chickpeas. I can already smell the cumin, it's delicious. Now for the sauce. This is my old olive oil, some boiling water, and I need to get some stock. Don't worry if a few chickpeas run in, it's fine. Some salt and baking soda. I want you to look how it has become white. And we top it with more chickpeas. A little bit more cumin. It has to be really present, the flavor. I have to say, I think I've superseded my father at this. Enjoy.